sister a kiss when she look over here. Yeah, no, it's
Hi, good evening, parents, children, staff, and friends. Thanks for being here at the 8th grade graduation. My name is Sun. Yes, it is pronounced sun, like the one in the sky.